Welcome to Stunks News. I'm Stunks, your favorite degenerate host. On today's episode, we're going to talk about in the unpredictable world of finance, the recent approval of Bitcoin spot exchange traded products (ETFs) by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) has added a new layer of comedy to the cryptocurrency saga. After years of rejection, the SEC has suddenly found itself in a romantic comedy with Bitcoin, deciding that, perhaps, Bitcoin is the one after all. This change of heart came after a court decision that effectively told the SEC, you can't just swipe left without a good reason. The SEC's newfound acceptance doesn't mean it's in love with Bitcoin, however. It's more of a reluctant truce. These newly approved ETPs will be listed and traded on registered national securities exchanges, which are like the highly supervised kindergartens of the financial world, where rules are designed to prevent the toddlers, traders, from sticking forks into electrical outlets. While the financial world might be clinking glasses over this regulatory nod, critics, especially those from institutions like the European Central Bank (ECB), are having none of it. According to them, Bitcoin is the naked emperor, parading around with a new set of clothes that suspiciously resembles a bubble about to burst. The ECB has colorfully painted Bitcoin as a failed currency turned environmental villain, sucking up energy faster than a black hole. Investors, particularly the less sophisticated ones, are viewed by the ECB as unwitting tourists in Las Vegas, dazzled by the lights and glamour, not realizing that the house, in this case, Bitcoin, always wins. The ECB warns that this ETF approval might just be setting them up for a grand disaster, likening Bitcoin to a poorly written TV show that keeps getting renewed despite bad reviews. So, why is Bitcoin bouncing back? Maybe it's the allure of an upcoming halving event, a sort of financial fountain of youth that promises to cut Bitcoin's mining rewards in half, theoretically increasing its value. Or perhaps it's the thrill of the forbidden, with every regulatory nod making Bitcoin an even more enticing forbidden fruit. As the curtain rises on this new chapter for Bitcoin, investors and spectators alike should keep their popcorn ready. Watching the financial elite and the crypto aficionados dance this awkward tango might just be the most entertaining show in town. And that's the end of today's episode. I'm Stunks, and I hope to see you back on Stunks News soon.